Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just wanted to do another tool review, update, what have you, on my little 1/4-inch impact driver, screw gun, what have you. Keep in here in my little power drawer. Well, it's not so little. This tool, forward, reverse, forward. I have this M18 with it, the XC5. When I first bought it, this tool, it came with this one. Obviously, it came with two. Sorry, it's a little dusty in here, but it's a paint shop. But it came with those two right here. Charger, which is I have right there, but I'm using this one with this gun because I think gives it a little more oomph than this battery does. In case you're wondering, here's the part number up over here. Wasn't cheap. I also got this little Milwaukee bit set. The same day I got that. Hang on, bear with me. Got all these. All this pack out and everything that's in here. I use this gun often. Anytime my boss say, hey, go out in the yard, this boat needs this, and this, first thing I'm doing is grabbing this. Works phenomenally, in my opinion. I could sit here and use like a little wire wheel, like so. I'll take it out later. But like I said, this little impact drill screw gun kicks ass. Does what I need it to do. It's not the fuel, but like I said, it's an amazing, and yes, I am a Milwaukee fanboy, if you want to call it that. If you would like, I'll go through everything else over in here. If that's something you're interested in, I'll go through here, that drawer, just miscellaneous stuff, hammers. Oh, I got this today off the Matco truck. Move those out of the way real quick. I'll do a video on these first chance I get to use them. There's the part number right there. So that drawer already. More stuff in here. More stuff in here. But yeah, I will, at your request, I will go through more of my power stuff. My other box, if you want a more in-depth of my 41 by 24 inch Husky box, I have no problems doing that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Love y'all.